I'm Stephanie Tyson. I'm the General Sales Manager for Layton Broadcasting in St. Cloud, and I would recommend Creative Radio for a jingle partner for your clients and for your group of radio stations if you want a great, dependable service provider who creates an amazing, high-quality musical image for your clients.
I'm Sam Anderson from an award-winning jingle company known as Creative Radio Jingles. We've been partnering with companies just like yours to create catchy, memorable, and professional jingles like this.
Attorneys that make a difference, Count and Bruder.
And this.
Coburn's fresh every day, bagged with a smile, that's our way.
Here's one more.
Your home for healthcare, Lakewood Health System.
We've been working with GMs and SMs from all over the U.S. for over 30 years, and here's what they've experienced.
I've been at Layton Broadcasting for 14 years, and we've always been a partner of Creative Radio. In my role as account executive, I got to go through the process with my clients of having a jingle created. And it was really fun because there's great energy at Creative Radio as a company, and they're a great collaborative team. They tend to make you laugh. But now as a general sales manager, it helps me get into the roots of what we do. Like, radio is about music, and when you can take a client's story and their why and put it to a musical image, it's fun to watch the client's face light up. It really brings their campaign together. It's a high energy experience. It's fun to discover their favorite types of music. That's usually part of the discovery process. And then my favorite question, I think, is if you could have any star sing your company's name, who would it be? And just to find out who your client loves to listen to, who their music icons are.
As you know, jingles establish your client's brand and is an essential element when trying to create a consistent brand message with your advertisers. Our team at Creative Radio Jingles will handle all the heavy lifting throughout the entire process.
Usually the first step in an introduction with Creative Radio is, as an account executive, you're out doing a business profile and you find out that this client wants to move forward and they want to tell their story on radio. That's when you can connect them with Creative Radio. And from that point in time, it's really not a lot of work for the account executive, which as a sales manager is something I really value because it keeps my account executives working and doing what they do best, generating leads and bringing in new business. Creative Radio brings the whole musical image to life kind of behind the scenes. You're touched base with and kept informed, you know, when your client's getting their first drafts, if there were any revisions, but really it's a solid referral process, and then you're just kept in the loop. So I really enjoy that aspect of working with Creative Radio.
Our radio jingles establish long-term relationships between your account executives and your advertisers, and this is proven.
Oftentimes when I have an account executive that's doing a partnership with Creative Radio and a client for musical image, I find that that client is quicker to commit to a long-term radio campaign. They're a big thinker, they love their jingle, they're excited about it. So in my leadership role at Layton Broadcasting, I look at that as a top-tier potential account. It's very exciting.
So what's the next step? Click the link below, or better yet, call us at 800-307-2346. And we're going to get you an info kit right away, and also a free puppy. Maybe not the free puppy, but the info kit. We'll get in touch with you right away to find out more about your radio stations. So call 800-307-2346 or visit us online at creativeradiojingles.com.